再来看这世界上届长退休的男性廷尼斯伍德，伫11月25来往生，食到112岁。伊这世人是经过2届的世界大战，伊嘛讲家己的生活过了真精彩。
英国联系约翰·廷尼斯伍德，伊出来人证实，已经伫咧25踮英格兰南港当地疗养期过身，享受112岁。伊出来人讲，廷尼斯伍德活伫这个世界上最后一天，是互爱甲音乐包围。伊是英超利物浦终身球迷。今年4月，金氏世界纪录认证全世界上老的人士，委内瑞拉的男子莫拉以114岁过身了，就话廷尼斯伍德成做世界上上长退休的人。
John, I'm pleased to confirm that at the age of 111 years, 222 days old, you are the oldest man.
伊出世迄年，也拄好是铁达尼号沉船迄年。
I can remember my first day at school at the age of 5. Well, it's not much earlier than that when I can remember.
How you get to 111? What do you do to make your health so good and to live such a long and healthy life?
I don't think that we have very much control over it. You got some on the way you live, but if you don't eat too much, and so long as you exercise, both the brain and the body, you should keep them young.
廷尼斯伍德甲 BBC 讲，伊自少年的时阵就真活泼，而且行真侪路。伊甲伊的牵手鲍德温结婚44年，伊的牵手伫1986年过身。而自世界大战结束了，伊伫咧皇家邮政抑个壳牌等公司工作。退休了的生活甲教会互动真接。伊出来人伫声明内面讲，廷尼斯伍德人真巧。 果断、勇敢，拄到任何危机，拢会当保持冷静。说话方面真厚，而且真厚开讲。即个拢互伊伫咧二次世界大战踮皇家军队服役时阵，有真大的发挥空间。公司新闻黄文玲编译。